Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Euro Yen monthly, I still think this is so clearly a five-wave uptrend over here for probably a wave A or 1. This is very, very clearly three waves down for either a wave B or 2, especially when you start looking at correlated yen pairs. And then I think it's extremely clear that this is a 1, 2, and this is still all a wave 3. My next area of resistance is actually at this Fibonacci level, which is around the 174, 175 area. I honestly think this possibly could go all the way up there before we even possibly end the wave 3, making a wave 4, and making a wave 5 to match this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pattern. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I said, I still think we're in a wave 3. I have no Fibonacci bounce. I have no significant lower high. I definitely do not have a breaker structure to the downside. It's definitely higher lows, telling me there's no reason at all to think this wave 3 is over, and I definitely should continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, I do have my Fibonacci retracement on this right here because, if this does make three waves up and impulsive down at a Fibonacci level, then we should definitely go short. I've been saying for weeks now that this could possibly be an ABC correction to the uptrend. But I honestly think, especially looking at all yen pairs, that we definitely should not go short unless there's really good evidence to go short, because I think that we are likely to go up to that $74, $75 area before we really do make a bigger move to the downside. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, like I was just explaining, this could be a wave A or a wave 1. This is probably all a correction right here, either wave B or wave 2. If this really is a wave C, then it potentially will go up to a fib level, make a double top, make a break of structure, proving that it's a wave C. And if that's the case, you definitely want to go short. Otherwise, it's likely that it will bounce from a fib level, even if it's not a wave C. But the difference is that you will not get that break of structure. You'll just get the continuation of the uptrend, all higher highs, higher lows for wave 3. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, based on all those higher time frame analysis, I am definitely doing absolutely nothing except for looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see. Buying the dip on the yen pairs is pretty much the only strategy that I think anybody should be implementing. Basically buying every single dip you see. You'd be pretty much rich for now by now if you spent the last 4 years doing absolutely nothing but buying every single pullback you see on the yen pairs. So that's exactly what I'm going to do, at least until like the higher time frames, the daily, weekly time frames tell me that this wave 3 is over. I'm doing absolutely nothing on all the yen pairs except for buying every single dip I see. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily live trading sessions and access to all my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.